Are you tired of spending countless hours finding the perfect cut for your video?
For this transition to look clean, guys. For this transition to look clean, guys. It's important that you already have a sequenced out video.
Tired of having to reframe all your horizontal footage just to match your vertical timeline? Or even having to spend unnecessary time editing in subtitles? If you're ready to speed up your editing process, you came to the right video. Today I'll be showing you guys 3 free AI tools that you guys could use inside of Davinci Resolve Studio. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to smash that like button down below. It helps YouTube know that you're enjoying these type of content and help push my videos out to other content creators as well. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button right now. We're gonna be dropping tutorials every single week, so you don't want to miss out. With that being said, let's hop straight into the first tool. First tool we're gonna be diving into is called Auto Transcribe. Before this tool, guys, I would have to go through every single take until I found the perfect take that I wanted for my video. If you guys are a content creator and do content on YouTube, this will save you a ton of time. As you guys can see on these clips that I'm going to show you, it takes me a couple tries to get the right take.
For this transition to look clean, guys. It's important that you already have a sequenced out video. Like I said, I got this off of YouTube. I got the music video off of YouTube.
Now with this tool, look how much it saves us time. I'm gonna select on the clip we're gonna be working with, which is this one right here. We're gonna right click, we're gonna go to audio transcription, go to transcribe. Once that's done, it loads in all of your audio from the video. This is the part when I say for this transition to look clean. As you guys can see, it repeats itself. For this transition to look clean, guys. For this transition to look clean, guys. And this is the one I want to end up using. For this transition to look clean, guys, it's important that you already have a sequence style video following this transition. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight that part. I'm gonna press on this button to insert. Just like that, guys, it's inserted on the timeline. And when I play it back,
for this transition to look clean, guys, it's important that you already have a sequence style video following this transition.
All it took me was about 10 seconds to find the part, highlight it, and I inserted it instead of me having to watch all of my messed up takes and find the perfect one. This auto transcribe is also cool because it lets you remove these silent parts. For you to remove it, you go up here, remove silent portions. And then as you guys can see, it removes all of it. And then once you insert on your timeline, there'll be no more silent parts, which is pretty fire. So you don't have to take out the time to delete those silent parts as well. Second tool we'll be using is automatic subtitles. This one is a game changer because some people like to watch their videos on silent, scrolling through Instagram and just reading the subtitles. Now before this tool, I will go line by line, writing out every single word that I spoke, which takes me a lot of time. For me to make this happen, I'll go into titles, go to basic text, throw it on top, and then I would have to listen to what I say. So I will play it through. I'll have to write it out. Let's go ahead. Then I said make our adjustment layer. Right here I will have to cut it. And right here I'll put make adjustment layer. Then I have to delete the remaining.
Let's go ahead and make our adjustment layer.
On top of that, I would have to position them both in the correct spot as well, which will be about like down here. Then I'll have to scale it down.
Let's go ahead and make our adjustment layer.
That's the process of me adding subtitles. As you guys can see, it takes a little bit of time. So this AI tool is very handy. In a couple clicks, it auto subtitles your whole video. For us to get the automatic subtitles, we're gonna go to timeline. We're gonna go to create subtitles from audio. And on the maximum right here, we're gonna put 10 characters per line. And what this does is it puts less words in the line, which makes it look more clean. We're gonna go ahead, press create, and go ahead, remove the ones that we did. As you guys can see, in a couple seconds, look what it did. Just like that, guys, in a few clicks, it auto subtitled everything for me and it saved me so much time. Now, before we go to our third and final AI tool that will save you lots of time while editing, go ahead and smash the like button down below. All it does is tell YouTube you're enjoying this type of content and it helps push my videos out to other content creators as well and helps my channel grow. Free support, guys, I really appreciate it. Hit subscribe button if you haven't. Come be a part of the Sacredtakes team. We're dropping videos every single week. Now the third tool we'll be using is called Smart Reframe. Now me personally, as you guys can see, I like to film my films horizontally rather than vertically. I feel like it's just a more natural look. So let's say I have this horizontal clip. I would have to go up to File, Project Settings, use Vertical Resolution, and that will make it a vertical timeline. As you guys can see, the ball isn't in the frame, so I would have to manually add in the keyframes and I would have to find the ball. So I would move it to the side like this. I would have to keep moving it to follow the ball. I'll move it a little bit right there. For that clip, I didn't have to move the clip around a lot. But usually when I film horizontally and I'm using a vertical timeline, I do have to spend my time reframing every single frame. Let's see how long it takes with this AI tool. So we're gonna go over here to Smart Reframe. We're gonna go ahead, press on reframe. Now when we play it through, as you guys saw in the beginning right here, it did a good job following the ball. And then right here, it forgot about it. If you wanna have a little bit of more manual control, you go to Object of Interest. Reference point, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the soccer ball. We're gonna do just like that. We're gonna press reframe. Davinci will do his thing. And now when we play it back, as you guys can see, it followed the ball perfectly. That would definitely save you a lot of time if you like to film horizontal and use a vertical timeline. That is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you use these 3 AI tools, I promise you, you will save a lot of time in your editing. And as we all know, time is money. If you guys did get to the end, I appreciate you guys so much. Right before you close out the video, guys, please go ahead and hit that like button below. All it does is tell the YouTube algorithm that you enjoy this type of content, and it'll help push this video out to other content creators as well. So it really help my channel grow, guys. It's free support. Hit the subscribe button as well. Come be a part of the Sacred family. We're dropping videos every single week. You don't want to miss out. Comment down below if you guys want to see more AI tool videos. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.